Indeed, all you need to grow your hair is in your kitchen. It is believed that our natural hair can't be as long as other hair texture. That belief is wrong. Our hair can grow to any length we desire. All our hair requires is some tender loving care. All you need is to know what to do and what not. Which is why in today's video, I'll be showing you guys that one ingredient that you use all the time in your food preparation. In fact, you probably can't cook without this ingredient. But little did you know that this ingredient is more beneficial to our hair. And this ingredient is thyme. Yes, you heard me, thyme. I'll be showing you guys every single steps you need to follow in the preparation of thyme oil. I'll be making use of 3 sachets of dry thyme, and yeah, you can make use of any brand you want to use based on your location. It is easily accessible. You can get it at the supermarket, African store, or better still your local store. So yeah, like I said, I'll be making use of 3 sachets, which is about 4 to 5 spoons of thyme. In your empty clean jar, add about 4 to 5 spoons of thyme. After that, go ahead and add 1 cup of olive oil as the carrier oil. You can as well make use of any other carrier oil other than olive oil. It is still going to be super effective as this. The thyme oil present in thyme oil has anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial properties that helps to fight any scalp infection or condition that can hinder your hair from growing. As soon as you're done adding your carrier oil, go ahead and mix everything together. So what thyme oil does is that it enhances blood circulations to the hair follicles, which in turn support our hair cells in producing new hair. Plus, it contains several bioflavonoids that plays a crucial role in hair growth. Now that you're done mixing, cover it up and allow to infuse in hot water for about 30 to 45 minutes. Using double boiler method on a low-medium heat. Thyme oil helps to darken the hair and keep it soft and silky. It helps to get rid of dandruff and itchy flaky scalp since it's a natural antiseptic. It helps to promote long, thick, shining, and lustrous hair. I'm done infusing and this is what it looks like, so I will allow it to cool down before straining. And this is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and add about 10 to 12 drops of wild clove hair oil. At this point, bear it in mind that you can add any essential oil of your choice, be it jojoba oil, peppermint oil, lavender oil, and so on. But as for me, I'll be making use of this wild clove hair oil as it contains all sorts of essential oil. As soon as I'm done adding this, then I'll go ahead and show you guys how to apply it, which is the most important part that you don't want to skip. As we all know that it's not enough to make a treatment, but the question is, how do you apply it and when do you apply it? Now this is very important. This is the treatment in the container. So what you have to do is to get yourself a small cotton wool like mine. Now go ahead and dip the cotton wool inside that super potent oil. Apply generously directly to your scalp and your edges. As soon as you're done applying, go ahead and massage your scalp gently with your fingertips for about 3 to 4 minutes. So you have 2 options when it comes to the usage of this particular treatment. The first option is that as soon as you're done applying and massaging your scalp, You can leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes before washing it out with your shampoo. The second way you can use this treatment for better effectiveness is to leave it overnight and wash it out the next day. As soon as you're done washing it out with your shampoo, the last thing to do is to moisturize your hair using your leave-in conditioner. Just in case you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, as I'll be there to answer all your questions. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a huge fat fake thumbs up. Drop your comment in the comment section below. Smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.